Good afternoon, ma'am. It is a pleasure that you are here, and you are a loyal customer of Futura, and now you have taken a decision of buying Futura M200. So, what has been your experience, and why did you take this decision?
Sir, actually, I'm since using that Futura Silka machine since 9 years ago. So we are very happy to use the product. It's very grateful and it's a very advanced stage from the light and auto also. So that's why the opinion is best for Silka. So that's why I'm taking that.
I know you have been the pioneer in buying electronic machines in Andhra, and you are the third person in the whole state to buy an electronic machine in Andhra Pradesh. And now also you are promoting the concept of female locksmithing. Everybody is getting inspired by you. So from where this inspiration came to you?
Sir, actually that was inspiration from my husband.
Okay.
So he was the supporter to me, and whole locksmith and whole ECM repair technicians, everything is behind me. So supporting that. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks for coming. Thank you. I know Lakshmi ma'am has supported you a lot, and you have been using electronic machine, the latest one, Evox from Silka. So how has been your experience for using the Evox?
It was wonderful to use that. It's very easy to use. It's very comfortable, and the look is also it's very good, unique, and it's attractive, and it's too easy to use that. I'm happy to take that.
Okay. And how is the ease of working on the cards, cutting the keys? Is it comfortable to find the key codes?
Yeah, it's comfortable to find the key codes. If I don't know the process, I'll contact them, the dealer or my ma'am. They will say me, they will support me. So it's too easy to me to use them.
Okay. And how does it feels like being a female and then coming to locksmithing?
I feel proud by myself being in this field.
Okay. And you just shared earlier that because it was of the electronic machine that you started using it, it was very comfortable. So how did you find identifying the keys and then cutting it? So how the people feel when they come to you and you duplicate the key and give it to them?
First they thought she's female, she can't go. But after I do and give them, it's completed in 2 minutes, 3 minutes. It's too, she's trained well. They think like that. It's too easy to do. They think.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks for giving us this interview. Thank you. Now with us is Nikita ma'am, and she has just now entered into the era of locksmithing. She belongs to a family who was running an automotive garage, and then she learnt about PCB repairing, normal servicing, and now she wants to enter into locksmithing. So Lakshmi ma'am had supported her and trained her. So ma'am, how is your experience of locksmithing till now?
It was wonderful to be in this field. It's a good opportunity to me to be in this field. I'm very happy to be in this field. Lakshmi ma'am and Ashok sir supported me so much. They supported me every time I called them, and